Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Got kids in the background there it is a residential area. We're going to show you how to prevent a gate from slamming all the way open. Right now I have stuff here that is, I have storage here and I don't want it to knock over my pile of wood here. So how can we prevent the gate from slamming all the way open if you forgot, and if you have something on the other side you don't want it to take damage? So what's the easiest way to do this without making any serious modifications to your fence? Now this is only good for a wood fence unless you want to drill into your PVC, but this is just a kind of a quick little tip that I want to show you. We're going to put a block of wood right here. Right here we're going to do it. I'm going to, I already cut a piece of wood like so, and we're going to put it right here. And we're going to put a pilot hole. We're going to drill into the piece of wood here so I don't crack it. So we're going to do that now. Okay, drill the hole, pilot hole. All right, so there's a piece of wood. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, how is that going to work? So when you open up the gate, it hits that piece of wood and prevents it from going all the way. And if you wanted to, you can actually put a second one down the bottom if you wanted to have a backup. Nothing wrong with having a backup. And there's a quick solution from having the gate slam all the way. So let me just back this up again so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So you can clearly see what I'm talking about. I open the gate up, I push it, and it stops. And if the wind blows, it doesn't damage anything on the other side. And it's a simple solution. Doesn't hit anything on the other side. And there you go, done. Okay, here's one installed. And you can see the pressure of the gate crushing the piece of wood right here. However, back up down here as well, just in case the one upstairs fails. We have one screw, we did a pilot, and that's it. This prevents the gate from opening 100% and slamming anything on the other side. So if you want to add a one on the bottom, you can add the one on the bottom, but this is the quickest solution to preventing a gate from opening 100% and crashing anything behind it and damaging it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.